In today's video, we're diving into a critical question, Hostinger versus SiteGround, which has better performance for WordPress. If you're serious about getting the most out of your WordPress site, then this comparison is one you'll want to stick around for. We'll look at speed, uptime, support, and more, so you can make an informed decision on which hosting service is best for you. Let's start by talking about performance, the cornerstone of any WordPress host. Both Hostinger and SiteGround offer solid performance, but how do they stack up under real-world conditions? First, when it comes to speed, Hostinger tends to edge out SiteGround in terms of raw performance. Hostinger's use of SSD drives and its global server locations help deliver faster loading times, especially for websites targeting international audiences. SiteGround is also fast, but their servers tend to perform better in Europe, which can be a limiting factor if your audience is in the US or elsewhere. Next thing we need to consider is uptime. SiteGround has a strong reputation for reliability, boasting an uptime rate of around 99.99%. Hostinger is good too, but it doesn't quite match SiteGround's consistency. In fact, some users report occasional dips in uptime with Hostinger, especially during periods of high traffic, which could potentially cause issues for businesses that need 100% reliability. Moving on, support is something a lot of users care about. SiteGround has been praised for its 24/7 support, which is consistently available via chat, phone, or ticketing. The staff is generally knowledgeable, and they do a great job at resolving issues. Hostinger also provides 24/7 support, but many users report slower response times, especially during peak hours. If you're running a critical WordPress site and need immediate assistance, SiteGround definitely has the edge here. Next thing, pricing. Hostinger has a clear advantage with its affordable plans, especially for those just starting out with WordPress. You can get hosting for just a few dollars a month, making it ideal for budget-conscious users. SiteGround, on the other hand, is more expensive, particularly when it comes to renewals. While SiteGround's plans are pricier, they include additional features like daily backups and a more robust CDN. If you're serious about long-term performance, the extra cost might be worth it, but if you're just testing the waters, Hostinger is a more affordable option. The fourth thing to note is the scalability of both hosts. As your WordPress site grows, you'll need a host that can scale with you. Both Hostinger and SiteGround offer scalable plans, but SiteGround's higher-tier plans are particularly well-suited for larger websites or businesses. Hostinger's offerings are great for smaller sites, but when your site grows significantly, SiteGround's infrastructure may be more reliable at handling high traffic volumes. The fifth thing I want to point out is security. SiteGround takes security seriously with features like automatic updates, daily backups, and advanced firewall protection. They also offer free SSL certificates and can block malicious traffic before it even reaches your site. Hostinger also has a decent security setup with a free SSL, but it lacks some of the advanced protection you'll find with SiteGround. If security is a top priority for your WordPress site, SiteGround is the safer bet. Finally, let's talk about WordPress-specific features. SiteGround offers optimized WordPress hosting, including features like caching, a free CDN, and staging environments to test your site before going live. Hostinger also offers WordPress-optimized hosting, but you won't get quite the same level of customization or extras that SiteGround provides, especially for more advanced WordPress users. Now, all of that said, both Hostinger and SiteGround are solid options for WordPress hosting. But after trying them both extensively myself, I can tell you that if you want a better alternative for performance, security, and customer support, then I recommend checking out the first link in the description. This is where you can get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Go ahead and give it a try, and I'm confident you'll see the difference in performance for your WordPress site.